Ever wished your diamond pickaxe would last forever? Welcome back to the channel, Crafters, and today we're diving into one of Minecraft's most coveted enchantments, Mending. This enchantment lets you repair your tools and armor simply by gathering experience. Making your gear practically indestructible. Let's get you started by exploring the two main ways to acquire this amazing enchantment. First up, trading with villagers. Find a village and locate a librarian. You might need to break and replace their workstation until they are a librarian. Once they are, go to their trading screen to see if they are selling mending books. You might have to repeatedly check in different librarian villagers to get a mending book. This often involves breaking and replacing the lectern to reset their trades and possibly resetting until you get the trade. Once you find a librarian with mending scroll, trade with them to your heart's content. The second method involves good old-fashioned looting. Mending can spawn in loot chests found throughout your Minecraft world. Look in various structures like desert temples, jungle temples, dungeons, mineshafts, stronghold, and even buried treasure chests. In these areas are your best bet for finding a mending enchanted book. Exploring and looting can get you more than just mending, like enchanted gear. Once you get the mending enchantment book, you'll need an anvil and the item you want to mend. Place the item and the book in the anvil, and you'll apply the enchantment. Now comes the fun part, using mending. Equip your mending gear and start gathering experience. Kill mobs, mine resources, or cook food to gather experience, which will then repair the items, with 2 experience points repairing, 1 durability point. The more experience orbs you collect, the faster your gear will be restored. Congratulations, you're now a master of mending. With this enchantment, your tools and armor will last longer. Go forth and conquer with your gear in top condition. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Minecraft tips.